Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today, we will see an amazing dua to read in the Sujood. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, has taught us many du'as, and each has a great and unique meaning. Quran and Hadith are the only sources through which we can learn good supplications. Our Islam is a very beautiful religion in which we are taught meaningful and beautiful du'as for each occasion. The dua is as follows. Allahumma, inni bika biridaka min sakhatika wa bimu'afatika min uqubatika wa bika minka la uhsi thana'an alaika Anta kama athnaita nafsika. O Allah, I seek refuge in your pleasure from your wrath, and I seek refuge in your forgiveness from your punishment, and I seek refuge in you from you. I cannot enumerate your praise. You are as you have praised yourself. Aisha said, one night I missed God's messenger from the bed, and when I sought him, my hand came on the soles of his feet, while he was in the act of prostration with them raised, and he was saying, O God, I seek refuge in thy good pleasure from thy anger, and in thy forgiveness from thy punishment, and I seek refuge in thee from thee. I cannot reckon thy praise. Thou art as thou hast lauded thyself. In this dua, we are asking Allah Almighty for His blessings. This dua has great meanings. Blessed is the person on whom the blessings of Allah descend, and unfortunate is the person who is far from the mercy of Allah. That's why it is necessary to seek protection from the wrath of Allah Almighty. Whoever asks Allah for this dua will be safe from Allah's wrath, and Allah will enter him into His mercy. And in this supplication, we say to Allah, O Allah, we cannot praise you as it is right to do so, because we are human beings. May Allah grant us the ability to learn this dua and recite this dua in sujood. Ameen.